everyone, it's Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here with my Conquest Journal Harry Potter planner, and I think I am going to try to fit everything in one planner. We'll see how that goes. If that doesn't work, then I have the Paper House planner that's undated, so I can start it whenever I want. So, we'll go into, there's some goals and reminders. I'm not going to mess with those right now. And I'll put some of my graphs on these dotted pages. I have a weight loss graph and a social media graph that I'll probably put on there. And then to start January 2019, there's a to-do, an important dates, and a don't forget. And I don't think I have anything to put on this as of right now, but I could always go back. And I am going to do this. I know a lot of people do it as a memory keeper, but I have Project Life for that. Not that it's current, but I do. That's why I do have everything I need to do. I have a currently reading and a to-read list, but I'm going to use my Staedtler Tri-Plus fine liners on this, and I tried it out in brown right here on these books, and it smears because this page is glossy. This page is not. This one is What Am I Up To, and just gives you a couple spots to fill out. So I'm not gonna do that yet. I don't know what to put there. And I am going to start on my monthly. So for my monthly, I am going to use some of the digital kits I bought. The nice thing about the, let me see here. The nice thing about the digital kits is that if I run out, I can just print more. So I'm going to use those. I'm kind of thinking about doing more than 1 week in the same kit. Because there's a lot of, I can't use all these in 1 week. Like, there's 4 paydays. That's a month's worth of stuff. So, I'm kicking it around a little. I may just print off some more of these so I have the washi and then make them all the same. And then there's the dates. Oh, and this kit is the MintGemPaperCo, and it was digital, so I really like these. And then these are stickers that I made myself out of images from online. There are some artists here that original artwork, not mine, so but I'm just using them for personal use. And then the same with my Twilight stickers that I made, and I contacted this DeviantArt artist and said, hey, can I use your images as stickers? And she said that was fine. And then I got some of these. So anyways, just all Harry Potter related except for the Twilight sticker, and I'm only using that to reference an order that I have to place. So there's my planner stickers, and then I have my Helo Studio Company Daisy Doodle stickers that I got, and I did a haul on these. So I had out the ones that I wanted to use. So I have those ready. And like I said, first I'm going to start the monthly because my monthly is my go-to and it really helps me with my weekly. So, alright. And here we go. Hi everybody. So I decided to speed this up for you because I'm new at this and it, I think, would have been extremely boring. So, like I said before, I'm using this MintGemPaperCo digital kit that I printed out myself and used my Cameo silhouette to cut, and it was very helpful that the studio cut file was included. All I had to do was import it into my software and then print it out. So I used this glitter header on the sidebar there. And these are Erin Condren size kits, and of course it wouldn't have fit on the monthly kit anyways, or on the monthly page anyways, but it's very close. So I did modify some of the stickers, and I just used that list icon there on the side, and it's like a full box with little hearts depicting what you have to do in the month. And I just put, make a vet appointment, check on some fundraiser stuff for the schools, and now I'm just looking for kind of ideas to fill up or to label different things. Now, these headers here, I because it was so close to the spiral, I wrote on them first, and then I decided that it was too long, so I peeled that up and I just did it again. And every header that I put in the monthly boxes, I cut about 1/4 of an inch off of, and I just basically measured the first one, I cut it down, and then I used that one to cut all the other ones down. I just took the piece that I cut off and just measured it out that way. And as I'm doing this, I'm looking at my calendar. It's just my monthly calendar that I keep on the refrigerator, and it has everybody's activities on it, which that's like my go-to if I'm at home, but I use the planner for when I am away and something happens, like at an orthodontist and they add something, or I'm at one of my meetings and I have to look to reference to see if I have time to do something. Obviously, that's when I use my planner, because I carry this planner around with me. And I'm using large boxes on some of them, and I'm just writing in what happens on that day. And on the 18th and the 20th of January, it's like a big day because my daughter goes to music camp, and she's there for the whole weekend, but she has to check in and do auditions, and then Sunday there's a concert, and so I mean it's just a big day. Oh, and they have like an early release from school, so it's just a big day. So I thought about using these Create 365 stickers, but I decided not to. I guess the text was just a little too big. I was gonna find like an early release sticker. So I go back to my kit here, and I just start again pulling off those little date labels, or those quarter boxes, I think so. So you can see I just used the scrap that I had from the other one to measure what I needed to cut off of the rest of them, and then referencing my calendar, I just put down the boxes and all the different places that I have things to do. And I could have just wrote it on the calendar, which is what I normally do, but I think the color and the designs are, I don't know, they just make me happy. So even if it seems to be like a really busy day or a really busy month, that I think it keeps me positive, and it's color coded, and I just like it that way. So, which is the whole reason I'm doing the planner. I guess I kind of decided that planners were like adult sticker books. Like when I was a kid, I used to have or buy these, or my parents would buy for me these sticker books, and they would have all like themed stickers, and you would put them all on different landscapes, and that's what the planner reminds me of. Like they came up with adult coloring books, and it's huge, and it's just bringing back your childhood, and I feel like the planners are my adult sticker books. So, and I like the coloring books too, so Now, Thursdays are kind of busy day. I actually work Monday through Friday. It doesn't change, so I don't put that on there. I do put like when I have a day off and stuff, anything different. But as far as writing down that I work Monday through Friday, it's kind of pointless and tedious, so I don't do that. So I just put. Now I have been off work since before Christmas because I have vacation, so I can put that I actually have to go back to work on the 31st, and then I have the first off again, so like a vacation. And then on the 3rd, I think I put that my daughter goes back to school because she's been off on her winter break too. So just stuff that's out of the ordinary, not something that I do every day. And again, I'm just trimming down these stickers so that they fit, and I use the quarter boxes, and I use like the glitter headers. The lighter color glitter headers you can still read, and I'm using a brown Stedler fine liner for my journaling, so, or to label everything. Okay, so that pretty much sums up, what I'm doing basically. I do a couple of little stickers for decoration, like the Twilight sticker is because I have an order that I need to make, and then I use some of the glitter headers to kind of cover up those words, and then I put this little cute Harry Potter sticker that I've got off the internet. So alright then, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this process, and there will be more. Stay tuned for my weekly process, and I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you later. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.